I've been a language teacher since 1987. My first job was teaching on the island of Crete in Greece. I ended up teaching at university and going on to be a teacher trainer. And in that time, I've lived in several countries and learned various languages, sometimes successfully, sometimes not so successfully. At the moment, I'm learning Polish, and it's really interesting the fact that the way I'm learning Polish is totally different from the way that I learned previous languages. And of course, the reason is the AI. Now, I do have a language teacher, I do have a Polish teacher, but what I found is I can now do a lot more on my own than say 10 years ago or 15 years ago. And today I'm going to just show you one technology that is a massive help, particularly if you are starting out. This is really going to help you, but it can help at any level, and this will be useful for both teachers and students. And I've got one more thing to say about the technology I'm going to show you. It's completely free. I've never paid for it. I really hope you like this video, and if you do, please like it, please share it, please comment on it. But most of all, I'd love to have more of you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget, if you can, give me a few hype points. Let's get started. So the technology we're going to look at is called TurboScribe. You can use it for up to 3 times a day for free. So this is absolutely fantastic. And you'll see that I'm using it almost every day. Sometimes I use it even twice in a day. What it essentially does, the first thing it does, is that it will take any YouTube video in any language and you put it into TurboScribe, click on a button, and it will extract the whole of the transcript. Now, the brilliant thing is that transcript is often more accurate than the transcripts that are provided on YouTube because it actually uses the audio to generate the transcript. Now, once you've got that transcript, and that's really easy, just click on a button, now you can do loads of things. You can check the meaning of words. So if you've got words that you don't understand and you want to translate them into your own native language, well, you can do that. You can also play through the transcript and see the words being highlighted on the screen. You can also click on a button and translate the whole of the transcript into another language. Or another thing that you can do, super useful, is that you can save that transcript in a file in one click and then put it into, for example, ChatGPT or Google Gemini and generate loads of activities. So you could make some, for example, a gap fill activity or multiple choice questions or true or false questions or collocations or lists of useful expressions, etc. So this really does a lot and it's all free. So let's start by me showing you an example really quickly and then we're going to make one. So if I clicked on this one here, obviously everything's going to be in Polish on my screen because that's the language I'm studying, but I'll do an example in a minute in English. And you can see I've got the whole of the transcript here and I've got all these buttons here on the right hand side. I can download it as a document. Notice here I can translate the whole thing. Notice here I can even download the audio, so it extracts the audio and the transcript from a YouTube video. But also something I really love is that I can play and watch, and it highlights the text. So I know this is going to be in Polish, but just to demonstrate.
Cześć, dzień dobry. Dzisiaj dekorujemy pokój przed świętami.
Very, very useful. I love the way that I can play and listen and stop and start at the same time. And of course, what I can do is just copy any sentence and then paste that into, for example, into Google Translate and check the meaning of it. So let me show you how TurboScribe works. I'm going to go right from the beginning. And why is this so useful for people starting out? Well, because see, you could take a really simple dialogue from YouTube, paste it in and then study the vocabulary from that dialect to begin to learn the vocabulary, etc. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to do something really, really simple at the beginning. So I'm on YouTube. Let's search for something. Let's do it something in English. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for shopping in English for beginners. Now, this could be any level, but as I said, it's really good because you can use this tool right from a really low level up to a high level. Now, a little tip, whenever you're searching for something on YouTube, come over to the filters here, and a good filter to click on is, especially when you're beginning, is that you might want a video that's under 4 minutes or if you're a little bit more experienced like me, perhaps a video between 4 and 20 minutes. So my level in Polish is now kind of intermediate. But we're going to look for a short video. We don't want a long video. We've got a simple video here of 4 minutes long, and I can see I've got a few options. Let me just choose one. So I've got a video here that I like. I'm going to copy this link. This video is about 3 minutes long. I'm going to come back over to TurboScribe. Remember, you will need to make an account. I'm going to click here, okay? Brings me back to the home page. I click on transcribe file, click on this link here, paste in your link. This is very simple to do. Press import. Now you probably have to wait a few seconds while it imports the video. Now make sure that you've got the right language set. So at the moment I've got it set to Polish, of course, and I need it set to English. I'm going to choose English UK. And once you've done that, you want to set this one, the most accurate form. So choose that and then click on transcribe. And that is it. It's going to begin to transcribe your whole video for you. And you can see there, it's already started. So let's click on the transcript. There it is. I've got the audio here, so I can play and read at the same time. Notice over here as well, I've got lots of different buttons. I can download the audio. I can translate the whole thing. I can even move the transcript into ChatGPT. I'm going to show you the same thing working with Google Gemini. I can download it as a file. But look at this. This is great. Let's say I'm reading this, or I'm playing it and reading it, and I don't understand. Let's say, for example, is that everything? I can just copy that. I'm just holding my mouse down, copy it. And to copy, just right click or just press on Control C. I can jump over, for example, to Google Translate, paste that in. Let's imagine I'm a Spanish person, then I can translate it into Spanish or translate it into whatever language you want to. And that's a really useful thing to be able to do. So I can jump through, can even save those sentences. And let's do another one. So I'm going to delete that. Could come back again and scroll through a little bit more of the transcript. So let's say I come down here and I think, okay, would you like a bag? And I'm not quite sure what that means. So I'm going to copy that again, jump over to Google Translate and paste that link in and again, and then I can save that. Now, if you want to know where your saved words are, you just click on this button here and you'll see all your saved sentences. And you can see I'm doing this in Polish all the time. Okay, really hope you liked the video so far. And if you do, please click on the like button because it really helps me to boost my rankings on YouTube. I didn't show you there that you can use Google Translate. I showed you how to link TurboScribe to Google Translate. Now, Google Translate has lots of additional features, and it has something that I call the magic button. And if you don't know about that, that's a fantastic technology to learn if you're studying languages or you're teaching them. And if you want to learn more about Google Translate and the magic button, watch the video that's on the screen now, and I'll also put that in the description below. We're going to move on now, and I'm going to show you one of the best features for me when working with TurboScribe, and that's how I can link it in with the AI and generate loads and loads of activities. Just a super quick break from the video. If you do like what you're seeing and you want more free videos, then come over to my website, teachertrainingvideos.com. I specialize in making videos to show teachers and students how to use technology in their language teaching and their language learning. And there's loads of content on the website. Also, if you're a language teacher, think about signing up to the newsletter. As well as getting updated on all the latest videos, there's a free 14-part course where I basically highlight some of the key technologies that we're using in language teaching. And many of the tools that I highlight are completely free. Also, if you were interested in having more training with me, then join me on Patreon. You get free videos every month with no advertising, and you get the chance to meet me online as well for an hour's training. We do an hour's training every month with the Patreon group where we actually work with the technology so you really learn to use them well. Thank you very much. Let's get back to the video. So let's quickly go through a few of the features before I show you the AI feature. Notice you can, on the right hand side here, download the whole of the audio. Notice also that you can translate the whole of the transcript, and that can be really useful. So if you click on that button there, all you need to do is change the language. So at the moment I've got it from English going to Romanian, so I'd have to click here, choose the language that I wanted to translate it into, and then you'll get that translation. So that's really, really useful as well. I can even do it, notice here, into Chinese. However, one of the most powerful features is this. Watch this. I'm going to scroll up to the top here and I'm going to download the WordWall file of this whole transcript. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this button here and that's going to go into my downloads. It's also going to open up onto the screen, but that doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to close that down. There it is. I've got the whole of the transcription. Now what I can do is I can go over to my apps and I'm going to go to Google Gemini. You could also do this with other AI tools, but I'm going to use Gemini. Gemini's free. I actually have a pro account, but this will work absolutely fine with a free account. And all I'm going to do now is upload that file. So click on the plus button, click on uploads, and there it is. If I go to my downloads, I can see that I've got that. There it is. I'm going to click on that. Now Google Gemini has that whole text. Now I could say to it, for example, can you extract 8 keywords from the text to help me learn the text better? Okay, or from the transcript. And if I press click on this button here, immediately it's going to generate those key vocabulary for me and even give me an explanation of each word. Okay, now I might even say, can you translate those keywords, let's imagine I'm Spanish, into Spanish, and it will now and put them in a table. Okay, so let's see now if it will put that all into a table for me, and it might make it kind of easier. See, I've got it nicely clear, the word in English and now the word into Spanish, and I've got here like an example, so it's really nice. That's really useful. Let's try something else. Can you make for me 5 true or false questions about the text or about the transcript? And now of course Google Gemini is going to do that as well, and look at that, it's done for me. Let's have a look. Let's scroll down a bit, should have it there. Where's my true or false questions? And it's actually giving me answers, which is not a good idea. So I'm going to have to say please don't give me the answers. Put the answers at the bottom. Okay, that way might be a little bit better in terms of me quickly doing the exercise and then checking. Okay, so here I've got the questions. I can read them, decide the answer, and then I can go to the answers. That would be much better. Okay, now you could go on like this. So this is an absolutely brilliant way of making content. Now Google Gemini will do a lot more, but that gives you a quick idea of what you can do. Okay, hope you're finding the video useful, and if you are, then please click on the like button because it massively helps me, and think about subscribing to the channel. Now Google Gemini can do way more than I've shown you in this video today. It has even a guided learning feature, which is fantastic for language learners, and something called Canvas. If you want to learn more about using Google Gemini for language learning, watch the video that's on the screen now. And just to say thank you very much for watching and staying right to the end of this video. Okay, really hope you liked that video, and if you did, then please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. Loads more free videos. Look at all the different menu items at the top of the screen here. If you're a teacher and you want to keep up a little bit more with the work I do, we often organize webinars, online courses, etc. Then sign up to the newsletter, and if you sign up to the newsletter, there is a free 14-part mini video course in using technology in language teaching, and nearly everything I suggest is free. If you want to take it a little bit further, then think about joining me on Patreon. If you join Patreon, you get extra videos every month with no advertising. I just go straight into the training, lots of ideas about how you can use the technologies in the class with your students, and you also get the chance to meet me online once a month for some direct training, and that's a real opportunity for you to practice using the technologies with me. And finally, if you want to go even further, join me on my very popular course, Technologies and Approaches to Blended, Hybrid and Online Teaching. I do that in collaboration with NILE, that is the Norwich Institute for Language Education, a very prestigious organisation in the UK. And that course has been running for many years and is very popular. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave a few more videos on the screen now that you might find useful.